Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with a new video. So today we are going to prepare a vegetable lasagna. Yes, vegetable lasagna using a bread. So without wasting the time, let's get begin with the recipe. So firstly, we have to prepare the two sauces, red sauce and the white sauce. So let's begin to prepare red one. So for that I have taken a pan on a burner. I have added in 2 glasses of water. Now I will add in 3 medium sized tomatoes and we have to cook them for 5 to 6 minutes on high flame by covering them. When the skin of the tomatoes will going to shred, this indicates that the tomato has been boiled perfectly. So now my tomatoes has been boiled, so I have off the flame. So now we have to make them cool because we have to churn them in a blender. So we have to wait till they get cool. So at the other side I have taken again a pan. I have added in butter, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of oreganos. Now we have to mix it well, and now a complete full glass of milk. Now we have to again mix it well. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise in this. If you are not having mayonnaise at your home, you can also add in corn flour or cornstarch instead of mayonnaise. So now we have to cook it till it gets thick. So now my sauce has been thick. You can see the consistency. Now I will add in some pinch of black salt and a pinch of black pepper. I forgot to add in the starting. You please don't. So I have separated it. So now I have again taken a pan. I will add in some butter and all my vegetables. Here I'm having corns, tomatoes, capsicum, onions and green chilies. So I have put the butter in the pan and some oil. It prevents burning of the butter. So now I will add in all my vegetables, capsicum, tomatoes, corns, green chilies and onions. We have to just saute them for likely 2 to 3 minutes only with some pepper and some salt according to your taste. So now we have to mix it well. I have added in some salt, black salt and some black pepper. So we don't have to cook it more. So my veggies are being sauteed, so I will remove it in a bowl separately. So now I have again taken a pan for making the red sauce and I will add in around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I will add in 1 tablespoon crushed garlic. And remember the tomatoes that we boil, and I have churned it in a mixer, so I will add that also. So now we have to cook it well for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I will be adding in a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for a very tasty spicy taste. So just it's ready, so I will separate it. So now we have to make the sheets. For that I will cut the sides of my bread slices. So here I've taken 6 and this way I will cut all the sides of the slices. So now what we have to do is we have to roll each of the sheet like this with that I am doing. We have to roll it simply in a thin sheet. I will roll up 6 of my 6. So I have done with them. So here my material: white sauce, red sauce, bread and my veggies. So now the time to assemble it. So here I've taken a bowl. You can take any other glass bowl or any bowl you are having at home, but don't use plastic as we have to bake it. So firstly I will add in red sauce. We have to do the layering. Firstly I will spread my red sauce, and then on it I will add in white sauce, and I will spread that also. We have to do layer by layer so that it gives a very good taste. So now I will put my bread sheet on top. I am putting two of them. So now we will spread again the red sauce. We have to spread it very thinly or very clearly. Now again white sauce. Now the turn for our veggies. I will be adding lots of veggies. And one more thing, we didn't remember the cheese, but yes, I will add lots of mozzarella cheese as I love it. You can add in according to your taste. And if you want the mozzarella cheese recipe, so please tell me in the comment section. So now the cheese has been done. So now I will again take bread. I will add all 4 pieces of my bread. So now again layer by layer I will add red sauce. I will spread it again. Now on top again white sauce. We have to spread this also very well. This layer by layer gives a very intense taste. So now again my all the veggies. So after my veggies I would be adding in again my sauces, red sauce, white sauce on top for the taste. This white sauce also goes very good with pasta. So now the time for again cheese. Say cheese. So again I will add on the top cheese. Do try it guys. I have made it earlier also. It was very awesome. And if you want chicken lasagna recipe, so please tell me in the comment section. So again on the top I have added in some sweet corns, mixed herbs, oreganos, and some chili flakes. Now the last we have to just bake it. That's all. So now the time to bake. So now I have taken a pan on a burner. I have placed a stand inside it. We have to bake our lasagna. So we have to preheat for 5 to 6 minutes only. So now it is being preheated. So I will place my lasagna into the pan. So now we have to cover it and bake it. So after 6 to 7 minutes it is being ready. So time to take it out. So I have taken it out. So now let's cut it and take the piece out on a plate. So now the time to eat it. It's really very tempting. Do try it guys. You will find it really very tasty.